Hello everybody, this is Marshall Man the Realtor, once again with another video talk through for some new construction with y'all. We are in Laveen, Arizona in this video. This particular build is by Richmond American Homes, one of two different communities that they have in the Laveen area. They have another one that's within a stone's throw of this one as well. This floor plan is known as the Darius floor plan. So it has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, a 3-car garage, and everything is spread out amongst 2,840 square feet of space. As you see with these, they have higher ceilings compared to the other Richmond American community that is local. They have a few different features, such as the higher ceilings that separate them from the other. So you got a walk-in closet there. A lot of room, a lot of space. And here off to the right here, you have like your office space. To the left, you have a washroom, and there's a guest suite within the house. So it's a guest suite that has its own bedroom, has its own sink, bathroom. You'll get to see that here in a second. Here is the guest room. Plenty of space, almost like a small apartment. Can't really beat that. So if you ever have anybody over, they can be in their own world, unbothered. Got the walk-in shower. Its own personal washroom in the guest room. Pretty much everything you need. Alright, and on to the living room. Plenty of pantry space in this kitchen. As you can see there, it's a fair amount of room. It has quartz countertops in the kitchen on 42-inch cabinets. As you see, you saw the walk-in pantry. You got the center island right here in the kitchen as well, giving it a unique look. Lots of sunlight in the living room and a beautiful view straight into the backyard. And here's the master bedroom tucked away in the back. Now, if you guys are interested in any of these homes, feel free to like, comment, or subscribe. Take a look at the link below in the descriptions if you want to take a look at some more homes. If you ever have questions about the home or if you're interested in moving, feel free to reach out to me and don't hesitate. You have yourself a good day, y'all.